Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1021 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm trying out one of my products from my November 2020 Boxycharm Premium Box, and this is from the brand REALHER. And I just feel like I've been trying out a lot of REALHER products lately because it's a very common brand that I've been getting in Ipsy and Boxycharm. But that's okay with me because I do like this brand. And what I have here is the Lip Liner Duo. And what's cute about the brand REALHER is that they use positive affirmations on all of their products. So I got this in the shade Be Yourself, Be Real Her, which is the deep red shade. And then I got the shade I Am Confident, which is a deep nude shade. So if you have not seen my Boxycharm Premium unboxing yet, I'll have that video linked in the description down below so you can see all of the products I got. And then also, this has a retail value of $25. So it says that there's a built-in sharpener. Yes, there is. At the bottom here, there's a built-in sharpener. And let's see. Yeah, and it's the type that you twist up. So this is so similar to the eyeliner duo that I got last month. Same kind of color, same types of packaging. So that's interesting. So I'm gonna start out with the nude shade and do a little swatch. Ooh, pretty. It kind of looks like the same tone of my natural lip color, but a little bit darker. And then let's see what the red shade looks like. Ooh, yeah, a nice dark red, kind of like a cranberry tone. Great for the holidays. So here are those swatches. They definitely seem creamy and pigmented. And it says that they are infused with jojoba seed oil and shea butter for a smooth application with a matte finish. I'm gonna try doing some sort of ombre lip. Not sure how good this is going to look, but we're trying out the formulas anyways. So first I'm going to take the deep red and I'm going to apply this to basically the outer sections of my lips. Wow, it really is super precise and so creamy. I barely have to touch my lips for it to show up with full pigment. Yeah, so easy to fill in the lips with this super creamy formula. Now going in with the nude shade to fill in the center of my lips. I feel like I can get so artistic and creative with these. Like you can do some really fun, intricate lip looks with the lip liner rather than lipstick. Like I'm feeling a little inspired just by how easy these are to apply, how good they look on the lips. Like seriously, they look so smooth and hydrating. That matte finish is like a velvety matte, which is so pretty. I kind of like this ombre. I feel like I would like a little bit more of like a pinkiness to the nude to have that ideal ombre look that I'm looking for, but it is still very pretty and just a great way to see what both of these colors look like and perform like. But I'm really happy with this red. It's such a beautiful red. Let's see how much transfer there is. Wow, that is barely any transfer at all. So I love that this is going to be nice and long lasting, and I just love how comfortable it is on my dry lips and how flattering this formula is. So I am very happy with these. Great lip liners in my opinion. Easy to apply, nice colors, long lasting and comfortable formula. So I don't think I could ask for anything else in a lip liner. Oh, I also want to mention these are cruelty-free, vegan, paraben-free, gluten-free. Well, thank you so much for watching my video today. Definitely let me know your thoughts on these in the comments down below if you have tried them out as well. And be sure to like this video and subscribe so you can see the makeup products that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.